are you all? I hope you all are doing really well. So, students, today we are going to start chapter name Gods, Animal. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to read a poem. Okay, and what is there in the poem we will read after that summary. Okay, first of all, we will read the summary and find out what is there in this poem. Okay, the poem God's Animal revolve around the animal. Here is the short description of animal appearance. Animal always look the same. Read the poem and enjoy it. Okay, so in this poem, basically all animals look same. So this poem is revolving around the animals, about different animal, how they look, and the poet want to change their look by giving them some beautiful bright color clothes to enhance their beauty. Okay, so we'll read this poem, okay, and find out how animal look like. Okay, all God's animal were glad, means they are very happy, in dot merry or cherry, okay, in dots or stripe well clad. But about a change of dress, God just forgot, I guess. Okay, in this stanza, the poet said that all the animals are very happy. They have dots on them, they have strips on them, and they have very properly means that if you have seen a zebra, its color is white and black, which is really looks very beautiful. But the poet said that maybe God forgot them to change their clothes or change their dresses. So he want them to wear some beautiful or different clothes so they look little different. So now the zebra in black and white wears a dress too tight. I would give him instead pajamas in bright red. Okay, so here zebra's color is black and white, as you all see that, and its skin is too tight around him. So he want him to wear a red pajama instead of that skin which he already have black and white. Okay, now the monkey is all brown, that's why he has a frown. Okay, so you know that monkey is all brown and he has frown. He's always, you see that animals like monkeys, they are always angry because they are all brown, they don't have any color in their body. In a coat of green and yellow, it would be a handsome fellow. If we if we give them a coat of green and yellow color, then if we wear it, he will look more handsome. Okay, more handsome in that dress. Okay, now the poor elephant is all gray. You all know that elephant looks gray in color and he is old and wrinkled, they say, because they are not old but they are wrinkled. They have a skin who are very wrinkled. Okay, so wrinkled means having folds or crease on their skin. Okay, pink would suit him fine as he toes the line. So as pink will suit him, if we give him a pink dress or pink cloth, it will suit him more than that grey one, and as he toes the line. Now the giraffe with dull spots can't face the staring lots. I would give him something new like a tuxedo in blue. Okay, so giraffe looks with the dull spots, so he want, and everyone stares at him a lot, so he want to give him a tuxedo in blue. Okay, so he will wear the tuxedo, a formal jacket. If he wear it, he will look more handsome or more interesting in that. So in this poem, basically the poet want to change the color and the wearing style of the animal, so they look more interesting. Okay, so this is the chapter and it is this is the poem and it's end here. Now the word bucket: glad, merry, cheery, tight, fixed, bright, splendid, frown, an expression of worry, anger, etc., handsome, good looking, wrinkled, having folds and creases, toes the line, follows one after another, staring lots, people looking at with a fixed gaze, tuxedo, a formal jacket. Think and answer. A. Take the correct option. Number 1. All God's animals were glad. All God's animals were glad. We'll take the number 1 option. Okay, now read the rest of the part and find out the correct option and tick on it. Number B, complete the following lines. You have to fill this line from the given passage, above given passage. Okay, so it start with the zebra in black and white wears a dress too tight. I would give him instead pajamas in red, bright red. Okay, now C, answer the following question. What does the poet want to say in the first stanza? So in the first stanza the poet want to say that all animals are very happy with their dots and stripes, but God forget them to about to change their dresses, so he want to change their dresses. Okay, so this is what the poet want to say in the first stanza. Okay, now read the rest of the questions and find out their answer. Value inside. Are the animals really dressed? Do you agree with the speaker that they need a change of appearance? Give reason of your answer. If you want, what do you think? Animal really want to dress like that the poet is saying in this poem. But if you agree, then give your answer, give your reason of your answer. Okay. Now grammar and strokes, reading and writing skills. Naming words. Noun. What are noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. You all know that. Okay. Now grandfather is planting saplings. Mother is taking out a shirt. Okay. Grandfather, sapling, mother, shirts are naming word. Naming words are name of person, animal or bird, place or things. For example, person, baby, teacher, postman, Neha. Animals or birds, tiger, giraffe, pigeon, sparrow. Places, lawn, house, school, Delhi. Thing, bucket, book, car, bed. Mother and Priya are in the drawing room. Look at the picture and write any 10 naming words. Okay, now you have to write down the 10 naming words here. Okay, whatever you are seeing is have name, or it's a thing or a human being or animal or something. You have to write down here in this given space. Now B, add ing to the following words. Sing, ing, singing. Ring, ing, ringing. Play, ing, playing. Jumping, jumping. Okay, now C, fill in the blanks. Grandfather is reading the book. Grandfather is reading the book. Kitty is sleeping under the cot. Sleeping under the cot. You have to write down these words with ing. Okay, by adding ing in it. Now the word power. Think fast and write 2 names of friends, teachers, pets, flowers, games. Okay, now B, match the rhyming word. Glad, clad, white, tight, brown, frown, grey, say, fine, line. Circle the odd one. Number 1, yellow, red, orange, blue, apple. Apple is a fruit and rest of the name is of color's name. So you have to circle that apple word. Okay. Now read the rest of the part and find out the odd one and circle it. Creative junction. Complete the table. A, animal, what he has and what the speaker would like to give him. Okay, animal, zebra, has black and white stripes. Black and white stripes. And what the speaker would like to give him? Bright red pajamas. So you have to fill this column from the above stanza or above poem which is given to you. Okay, now B, we all look different from each other. We have different features, different skin colors and different sizes, but we must respect these differences. We should pay attention to a person's qualities and skills and not their physical appearance. Share your own views in the classroom. What do you think is you have to differentiate between your 2 friends according to their height, according to their look, their color and all these things. No, if yes or no, what is your opinion about this? You have to share with it in your classroom. Okay, hopefully you understand the chapter very well. I have tell you how to do the exercise. Do the pending exercise at your own.